Hi, I just want to tell you a little bit about the Eumora products that have been excellent for me. This is the Eumora shampoo bar, which I am now using. I find that it makes my hair look thicker and I just like it. Now I do have to use a little bit of conditioner. My hair is natural curly, so I use a little bit of spray-on conditioner. This is my face bar. I've been using this for quite a while now. I think this is my third or fourth bar. This is the only cleanser I use on my face. I've tried many and I've never liked any of them enough to buy a second time, except for this one. It makes my skin feel tighter, makes it feel softer. Just put a good lather on, leave it on for 5 minutes, and don't forget your hands and your neck. It is just an excellent, excellent product. I don't have any makeup on, as you can see, but I think my skin looks fairly healthy. I think for a 71-year-old, I think my skin looks pretty good, and that's thanks to the Eumora bar. So don't hesitate to buy it. It might seem a little costly at first because the bars are small, but each one does last for at least a month. I hope you'll try it, and bye for now.